How to change time zone in MetaTrader 5. Now, if we open up the application here, and I just go back to the home screen, you can select Settings at the bottom right, and you should see again Settings at the very bottom. You can see here, as in Settings, we can change the language inside the app. Here, I will change it to Arabic or even in French, guys. Simple. Second options is we can close the app itself. We will go into our phone settings. And here from our phone settings, it is, we just want to search for region. Okay, so you should see general language and region. Once we select it, we can choose a new region here from the list. And hopefully once we choose a new region, this is going to change the, the time zone for MetaTrader 5. So, hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.